Good morning, Kate Shepherd Elementary. Today is Tuesday, September 20th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and the moment of silence.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please stand for a moment of silence. Thank you. You now may be seated.
Breakfast. For breakfast, we have a breakfast hot pocket, yogurt, juice, and fruit.
Lunch, corn dog, french fries, cookie, juice, and fruit.
Today's weather, we have high 96, low 74, and 5% of rain. Today is sunny.
Today's announcement, please post attendance between 8:20 and 8:30. Grades, please print weekly grade books for each course or kept in up-to-date electronic copy each week just in case. Please continue sending envelopes with our prizes codes to the office and our snack bag. Prizes will be delivered soon. Late duty, September 19th, Wilborn, September 20th, Gardner, September 21st, Lee, September 22nd, Clark, September 23rd, Miss Blankenship.
September 21st, Fall Makeup Picture Day.
Important dates. September 21st, Fall Makeup Picture Day. September 22nd, PES Remedies for Teacher Lunch. September 30th, Feel Good Friday. October 3rd, Environmental Center presentation for Environmental Center for presentation 2nd and 3rd. October 6th, United Way Out of Uniform, $2. September 7th, end of first quarter. October 10th, no school, teacher work day. October 11th, second quarter begins. October 5th, grade field trip to Davison. 5th grade field trip to Davison. October 17th through 24th, book fair. October 17th, Red Cross Blood Mobile. October 21st, Cone Ice. October 24th to 28th, Red Ribbon Week.
Happy birthday. Tuesday, September 20th birthdays. Michael Johnson, Ayla Smith, and Jack Fry. Happy birthday.
Send your question of the day. If you're curious about anything, always wonder how something works, send us your question and may choosing question of the day be answered by research team. You can submit questions to the question box that will be located in the library.
That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday.